To change the language on the Walmart app, follow these simple steps. First, open the Walmart app on your device and log into your account if you have not already done so. Once you are logged in, tap the menu icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and select the Settings option. This will take you to the App Settings page where you can adjust various settings including the language. Look for the language option and tap on it to open the language selection page. On the language selection page, you will see a list of available languages that the Walmart app supports. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to use. The app will automatically update to the new language. If you want to change the language back to the default language or any other language, simply follow the same steps and select the language of your choice. It is worth noting that changing the language on the Walmart app does not affect your account settings or any other information associated with your account. It is also important to note that the language change only applies to the Walmart app and does not affect the language used on the Walmart website or any other device. If you want to change the language on the Walmart website, you will need to do so separately. In summary, changing the language on the Walmart app is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps, you can easily switch between languages and use the app in the language that is most comfortable for you. This feature is especially useful for people who speak multiple languages or for those who prefer to use the app in a language other than the default language.